Today I just wanted to share very quickly two crops that I'm growing this year in my garden. One is purple kale and the other is broccoli. Both crops are my favorites. I love growing them this time of year. Matter of fact, purple kale was the first plant that I grew in my garden in 2018. And I actually fell in love with it because I grew it that fall, and every week it seems like I was cutting the plant and it was regrowing all fall, all winter, well into the spring. And I was sold. It's a delicious plant. I love eating it. Most people, in some cases, use it as an ornamental plant. You can use it in salads to add a bright punch of color. It has sort of like this cabbage-like flavor, which makes it a good option for hearty soups and stews. What does it mean when kale is purple? Purple kale leaves may also have signs of elevated levels of what they call anthocyanin, which is a purple tinted pigment that builds up in these plants when they're not healthy. Sometimes the cool temperatures and disease and drought contributes to this sort of purple pigmentation. Now the benefits, a tremendous amount of benefits. This is one of the healthiest plants on earth, full of vitamin C and vitamin K. It helps lower your cholesterol. It's a popular snack. You can use it to make kale chips, where you drizzle some extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil on the kale, add some salt, and then bake it in the oven until it's dry. It tastes absolutely delicious and makes a great crunchy, super healthy snack. A lot of people also add kale to their smoothies in order to boost the nutritional value. The other plant that I'm growing out back is broccoli. I absolutely love broccoli. We probably eat that stuff every other week around here, if not every week. Although you would never guess it, broccoli has its origins in the wild mustard plant. Farmers really redesigned this crop to make it crunchy and dark green and full of healthy nutrients. It dates back to the Roman Empire, where it grew in the Mediterranean region. U.S. farmers didn't start using this until like the 1920s. And if you're like the average American, you eat nearly 6 pounds of this stuff every year. How much cabbage you're more likely to eat? Well, it depends on your genes, because some people are hypersensitive to the bitter taste that broccoli produces. The health benefits, on top of vitamins and minerals it contains, it has a tremendous amount of benefits. If you're a diabetic, it's been known to lower your blood sugar. If you have type 2 diabetes, you'll notice a bigger improvement in blood sugar than other people would. Cancer, I think, they said something about the natural compounds in broccoli can help stop cancer cells from forming in the body. I would consult a doctor. I would do more research on that, but I thought I read something about that at one point in time. But I love broccoli. Um, there are some risks. It's high in vitamin K. It can interrupt your bowel movement if it's not the thing for you, and certainly you can have some issues with your kidneys. So I would consult a doctor if you're going to consume a large amount of this stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope that you have time this fall to plant these two crops. They are my favorite. Until the next time, it's been really nice catching up with all of you. Love you.